Hello and welcome to SoftGPT, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to make a Facebook comment automation. Ibig sabihin, pag may nagko-comment doon sa specific post or sa advertisement ninyo, automatic may AI na nagre-reply. Okay, so first gagamitin natin itong tools. There are tools available at andito na yung Facebook comment automation natin. Just click this one. And then let's add a name, say comment automation. And then continue. And kung ang gusto mong i-reply ng AI natin is very simple, like simple text, like hello, please check your image or your inbox. Yan, pwede na ito. But all we want is automated by AI. That's why we will be using flow. Okay? So first, kailangan nating mag-create ng flow na i-attach natin dito sa private reply or public reply. Ibig sabihin ng public reply to comment, yun yung nababasa ng mga users doon sa comment section. Pagka private reply to comment, ibig sabihin, i-message niya ngayon yung user na nag-comment doon sa ating post or ads. Okay, so first, kailangan mag-create muna tayo ng flow. Okay, so punta tayo sa flow section and then punta tayo dito sa add and then say public comment flow. Okay, click continue. And then, of course, gagamit tayo dito ng AI. Okay, and then, pwede natin gamitin itong ChatGPT. So, meron akong command dito kanina na make an AI prompt when the user comments positive or negative with a specific tone of voice. So, ito yung binigay sa akin ni ChatGPT pagka positive or negative yung comment niya. So, pag positive yung comment, syempre, iti-thank niya yung user and then mag-mention ng specific dishes if available doon sa reference niya na kung ano yung kinoment niya, no? Halimbawa, sinabi niya dito na ang sarap ng adobo, syempre, i-mention yung specific dishes. And then, invite them to visit again or recommend to friends. So, ito yung pag negative naman, mag-apology and then express a commitment to improvement. Meron din siyang example na ginawa dito. Okay, so i-copy natin ito ngayon. And then, punta tayo doon sa flow. Okay, so i-command lang natin itong si AI natin. Say, your goal is to reply to user's comment. Okay, and then ilalagay ko na dito yung kinapi natin. Yan, example, yan. So, thank the user warmly if this is positive. Okay, I think may na-misplace ako. Hindi ako nakuha yun. Positive comment. So, yon dito pala dapat ako naglagay ng okay, yon. If the comment is positive, okay, yon. And then, how about if it's negative? Ito. If the comment is negative. Yon, okay. Then, of course, ito, papalitan natin itong user input. Ang ilalagay natin dito ay yung latest comment. Okay, last Facebook comment or yung iba comment. So, hanapin natin dito. Yan, last Facebook comment or FB comment. Okay? And then, isa-save of course natin ito. Say, public comment. Okay, then continue. Then, i-continue natin and then maglagay tayo ng text at dito natin ilalagay yung output niya na public. Okay, public comment. Okay, so then publish lang natin ito. Okay, then that's it. Tapos na. No? So, i-back lang natin and then mag-create tayo ng another. Duplicate ko na lang ito. And pangalanan naman natin itong private dahil ito sana yung magsisend sa kanya. in private message. Okay, say private message. Okay? Then, yun lang, tapos na. Then, punta na ako ulit dun sa tools, and then Facebook comment automation, and then, yun, make sure na naka-on ito para mag-trigger yung ating AI. So, i-on ko yan, and then i-open ko ulit to edit. And then, private reply. So, pipiliin ko yung flow na create ko kanina yung private comment flow. Okay? And then, pagka public reply naman, okay, yung mababasa ng mga users, so public comment flow. Okay. And then, dito, no, pwede kang mag-hide ng comment with moderation, ganyan. With the words na ayaw mong kino-comment nila like scam or sa ano mo, mumurahin lang yan or whatsoever, pwede mong i-hide yung mga comments na yon. Then, pwede rin to like the user comment, yan. And then, reply immediately or ano. But I recommend maglagay kayo ng konting buffer time like 2 seconds, yan. Para syempre pag madami kasi, especially if you are running ads campaign, baka mamaya maban yung Facebook page ninyo kasi immediately nire-reply niya yan eh. Then click publish. Okay? So naka-on naman na ito, and by the way no, may i-edit lang ako dun sa flow natin na private and public. Okay, sa kanyang AI. Ito, if the comment is negative, okay, apologize, and then, okay, maglalagay ako dito ng, please encourage them to check their inbox. Nang sa ganon, mas makiter ninyo ng maayos yung mga negative feedback. Okay? And then, click continue. And then, pwede nyo rin namang i-direct na ito pagka negative yung comment niya into human support. So, it's up to you. So, again, palitan ko rin yung nandun sa private comment natin. Okay. Pagka negative dapat. So, actually, hindi ko na kailangang ilagay dito na encourage them. Ay, mali na edit ko. Dapat sa public tayo, no? Kasi yun yung mababasa ng user. Pero dito, it doesn't make any sense kasi na ipapabasa pa natin yung inbox nila kung nasa loob naman na sila ng inbox since ito ay private comment. So, mali na edit ko kanina. Dapat ang na-edit ko dito is yung public comment. Yun. Okay. So, again, OpenAI. And then, if it's a negative, then encourage them to check their inbox. Then, click continue and then publish natin. And that's it. Now, let's try to comment sa ating Facebook post. So, halimbawa ito, hello, I love your adobo. Okay, so hintayin natin, no? Kasi nilagay natin dito is 2 seconds. So, dapat may magme-message kay Katrina. And meron din dapat, yun, may nag-message kay Katrina. Thank you so much for your wonderful feedback. We're thrilled to hear that you love our adobo. Grabe, ang galing, no? It's truly a favorite among... see? Yun. And then, tignan naman natin yung comment. So, i-refresh ko, baka... Hindi pa kayo. So, nilike niya. And then, nag-comment naman siya. No? Thank you so much for your kind words. Oh, see? Now, what if negative ang comment? Say, mabagal yung delivery. Okay, which is one of the most common things na comment sa mga ganitong food industry. So, dapat within 2 seconds, meron nang magme-message sa kanya na nag-a-apologize. Okay, may nag-message na, ikinalulungkot namin na naranasan mo ang mabagal na delivery. Mahalaga sa amin ang iyong feedback at kami ay nakatuon sa pagpapabuti ng aming serbisyo. Okay, kung nais mo, maaari kitang i-connect sa aming customer service. Okay? Yun, kung may mga reklamo siya. And then dapat may comment din dapat ito. Ilalike niya yung comment. Nasaan na? Ayun, mabagal yung delivery. Nilike niya yung comment. Pero ikinalulungkot namin na naranasan mo ang mabagal na delivery. So, that's it. That's how you make a Facebook comment automation. Napakadali. So, in our next video, I'll be teaching you how to create an appointment or how to use the other tools doon sa ating platform.